Hi friends, and this is a little bit different video. I just wanted to pop in and thank you for all the lovely comments that you left me on my latest Team Tiny video. Thank you so much for the encouragement and your support. It means the world to me. I know I'm not sharing much, but everything seems to be getting better. So when feeling this way, I was just going through my stash and a little bit organizing. So I thought I would just pop in and share what I have done, or more like just share an idea how to store cardstocks. I used to be getting the tonic craft kits and all the papers were coming in this kind of envelope, and I was just sorting all by type and putting them in separate envelopes and marking what type of paper there is inside, like pearlescent or mirror cardstock. But because I really have a teeny tiny space, and I'll show you a small part of it in just a bit, I wasn't using these papers at all, and it was so hard for me to even get to them because, as you see, and this is half of my craft table, which is in a corner of our living room, and the small Billy shelf unit has on my tabletop's level there is just a box with stamped and colored images, or just some leftovers from different projects, all kinds of backgrounds and watercolor paintings and all kinds of stuff that I don't know yet how to use. On the second level, which is under the table, there are my tonic craft kit binders, and on the bottom level is where I was keeping the papers, and it was quite hard to get to it. I just had to sit under the table and go through every single envelope and decide what I would use, if I use anything at all. And not so long ago, I bought 2 file folders, or I'm not really sure how they're called. They were really inexpensive, like a couple of euros. So what I have been doing lately is just sorting all of my papers and arranging them in these folders. I will probably get one more. So in my first one, I have just ordinary cardstock, and I have tried to sort them in rainbow order, and I have added this kind of color guide on the tabs, so it's easy to go through. And inside I have small pieces and full sheets, and it makes it so easy to go through and find what I'm looking for, and it's not taking too much space. In my second one, I have a bit more. I have, I think, pearlescent cardstock and some textured and some mirror cardstock, I think. I even have a full pack of the cardstock, and they perfectly fit in there. Actually I have few of these cardstock packs. So I just wanted to come in and share this way of storing paper. If someone else is like me and barely has any space, this is inexpensive solution. I also have these clear pockets, which are for the 12 by 12 papers. I have one more, and here I have a full collection and some leftovers from different projects. I don't normally get any patterned papers for card making, but I am sometimes making mini albums. So I usually buy the 12 by 12 or these smaller ones 8 by 8, and these are some of the scraps that I found, and maybe I will make some Christmas projects with them. And in one of these packagings I also keep all of my cut apart pieces. So I have this tag punch, and I found lots of leftover pieces from my last year's mini albums or mini folio type albums, and I made so many of these tags that probably I will use, well, not all, but some of these for this year's presents. And another useful thing what I have bought is this kind of container, which is actually four separate ones, but they screw one to another, and I have poured there some sequins and embellishments, because most of what I have are in this kind of acetate packagings, and they tend to rip, or in this kind of zip bags. So I will be probably getting few more of these containers. And for these tags, maybe I will use these patterned papers and maybe some stamped images to go with them, or maybe I will turn them into bookmarks. I have this die set, and my strips of the patterned paper just exactly fitting. I'm not sure which one I will do first, so I will keep on organizing and digging through my stash, and I'll be most likely using just what I have in my next projects, and probably maybe during the whole next year. I don't know. I still have few stamp sets that I have never used, like from the Lawn Phones winter release. I'll be back every month with design team project for the Christmas craft creations challenge, and also for the team tiny hops. But other than that, I don't have any ideas what I'll be sharing, but I'll think of something. And I'll be also back on Saturday with card hop, so look out for that. And thank you so much for your support, and see you soon. Bye.